In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up personal calendars in GoHighLevel. By the end, you'll have a polished, bookable calendar that routes appointments to you, respects your schedule, and provides a smooth experience for your clients. Start by signing into your GoHighLevel account and heading to Settings, then Calendars. This is the central hub where all of your scheduling tools live, so it's a good place to bookmark if you manage multiple calendars. Next, click Create Calendar and choose Personal Calendar. A personal calendar is designed for one user and keeps availability tied to that person only. It's perfect if you want direct bookings without sharing a pool with other team members. In the Basic Details section, give your calendar a clear, descriptive name. Use something recognizable, like Discovery Calls, Your Role, or Consultations, Weekdays Only. A specific name helps you and your clients instantly understand what this calendar is for, especially if you create more calendars later. Move to Staff and Location. Select yourself as the assigned user so bookings go to your calendar. Then set the meeting location. You can choose options like Zoom, a custom meeting link, or a phone call. If you use a video platform, make sure the link is accurate and set up in your integrations. For phone calls, clarify whether you'll call the client or they'll call you, and where that number will appear. Open the availability section and set your working days and hours. Think about your real-life rhythm. Include lunch breaks, school pickups, or commute buffers. Double-check your time zone so clients see the correct slots. And consider leaving a small gap at the start and end of your day for prep and wrap-up. Now configure your booking rules. Set the appointment duration to match the type of meeting. Pick the interval that controls how often time slots appear. And add buffers before and after each meeting to prevent back-to-backs. Buffers are especially helpful for note-taking or travel time. When everything looks good, click Save Changes. If the Save button is disabled, scan for any required fields you might have missed. Finally, test your calendar. Open the booking link and schedule a test appointment as if you were a client. Use a private browser window to simulate a fresh visitor, and confirm that the time zone, confirmations, and event details all look right on both ends. That's it. You've set up a personal calendar in GoHighLevel that's ready to take bookings. Thanks for watching.